Hey guys, it's the Tiger Power. And you know what I got today? You probably can tell by the title and maybe thumbnail, but I got the Spider-Man Collector's Edition. Woo! This is so crazy. I'm gonna open this up now. Goodness. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in here, guys. Oh my god. Ooh. Get Spidey. I'm gonna play this game today, and try to record it. I think I might have figured out how to get my like a face cam and how to actually get to play it on my channel without it looking awkward by getting record like the PlayStation to record it. Then you know I'm pretty sure if I can get, you know, I'm just gonna show you. So this is spoilers, but you know what? I just want to see what's in this. Art of the game. I'm assuming this is also the game in here. And also, if I remember correctly reading from this, there would also be a statue. Look at this. I think I see the rhino here. Then like Scorpion's tail. I don't know if I can detect anyone else. But there's my boy Spider-Man. Woo! I love this statue. Honestly, guys, there's nothing better. I absolutely love this game. I'm gonna keep all this stuff out, especially the game after all. And since I got like the Requiem code for like the DLC, I'm definitely gonna and this feels so cold and nice. I love it. I'm gonna put all this stuff in my room after this, but after I get everything ready and see if I have enough room on my PlayStation to get this game to work, then I'm gonna play today. That's right, 2 uploads today. Because you know what? I'm gonna see if I can actually send send a recording from the PlayStation to my iPhone, then use iMovie to get this as my face cam, record my reaction while the PlayStation records itself, then get all that to work, get the best thumbnail I can try to get, and not just like a screenshot like I'm doing for this video and other videos I've done. And I'm gonna make sure that it's gonna be the greatest video ever. Now, a warning for all you that hate long videos: since Spider-Man is a fantastic game, it's gonna be at least 1 hour. That's right. It might take a bit up storage, but a lot of YouTubers are doing that right now. Well, at least one YouTuber that I'm subscribed to. And honestly, I want to get most of it done because, well, not most of it, because if I record 30 minutes of a video, then it's going to be billions of parts, like part 9, part 20, you know. You don't want that. You just want like at least like 5 or how many other parts 1 hour takes. I love my dad because he got this pre-ordered, the collector's edition. So if my dad's watching, shout out to my dad. Thank you so much. You're the best. I love you. I am truly excited. I mean, my nerves are just pumping up. Bum bum bum. Well, that was unboxing of my Spider-Man Collector's Edition. Now, I know you didn't exactly see me unbox and take the stuff out, but what else can I do? I don't really have a desk. I mean, I have like a computer top, but not enough like to the point where I could like, you know, like put the box in front of the camera, because that would also like hide my face. So, but thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If share this video with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell so you can see me every day. And I'll see and subscribe. See you guys later. Tiger Army out of here. Peace.